Have you ever felt like someone's watching you online? Every click, every search, every site you visit, it feels like it's all being tracked. It's not just a feeling. It's the reality of today's internet. Websites, advertisers, and even your own internet service provider are constantly collecting your data. This isn't just about getting annoying targeted ads, it's about your personal information, your browsing habits, and your digital identity being bought and sold without your consent. In a worst-case scenario, this data can fall into the wrong hands, leading to identity theft or other serious privacy violations. It's a huge problem, and it can feel overwhelming. I remember when I first started taking my online privacy seriously. I was doing some research for a personal project, nothing sensitive, but I started getting ads that were so specific, it was creepy. It felt like my computer was listening to my thoughts. That was my wake-up call. I realized that my digital footprint was much bigger and more exposed than I was comfortable with. I started digging into how to protect myself, exploring different tools and methods. It was a journey for sure, with a lot of trial and error, but what I learned is that you don't have to be a tech genius to reclaim your privacy. So what's the solution? How do we browse the web freely without leaving a trail of personal data behind us? One of the most effective tools out there is a VPN, which stands for Virtual Private Network. Think of it like a secure, encrypted tunnel for your internet connection. When you connect to a VPN, all of your online traffic is routed through this tunnel. This does two amazing things. First, it encrypts your data, making it unreadable to anyone who might try to intercept it, like hackers on a public Wi-Fi network. Second, it hides your real IP address, which is like your home address on the internet. Instead, websites and services only see the IP address of the VPN server you're connected to. This simple change has a massive impact. Your internet service provider can no longer see which websites you visit. Websites can't track your real location or build a profile on you based on your IP address. You can browse from a coffee shop, an airport, or a hotel with peace of mind, knowing your connection is secure. It essentially makes you anonymous online. But here's the catch: not all VPNs are created equal. The market is flooded with options, and frankly, some of them are not very good. Some might be slow, some might keep logs of your activity, which defeats the whole purpose, and some might have weak security that gives you a false sense of protection. Choosing the right one is crucial. You need to look at things like their privacy policy, the strength of their encryption, the number and location of their servers, and of course, their speed. A good VPN should be a tool that works silently in the background, protecting you without slowing you down or getting in your way. It should be an investment in your digital security and peace of mind. Now, diving into all the technical details can be a lot to take in at once. Performance metrics, logging policies, encryption protocols. It can sound like a foreign language. That's why I've put together a complete, in-depth guide to help you navigate this. I've broken down everything you need to know to choose the best VPN for your specific needs. We cover the key features to look for, explain the technical jargon in simple terms, and offer an unbiased look at some of the top providers on the market. This isn't about pushing one specific product. It's about empowering you with the knowledge to make an informed decision for yourself. Your online privacy is worth protecting, and with the right tool, it's easier than you think. If you're ready to take back control of your digital life, check out the link to our full VPN guide in the description below. It has all the details you need to get started. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay safe online. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tips on digital privacy and security. See you in the next one.